Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Today I'm going to cook for you bhindi or okra curry with crispy boiled eggs. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to remove the stickiness from okra. So let's get cooking. I tried making okra a couple of times. It always ended up sticky. So this time I just thought, let's give this another try. So here it came out really good. It was not sticky at all and I really love the recipe. Let me know how you guys do it to make it non-sticky. If you're still watching, I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. How to remove the stickiness from ladyfingers or okra. Wash the okra, strain the water, pat them dry, chop them and transfer them to a clean dry bowl.